We just entered the fitness center, and so let me walk around a little bit. We're going to start on the right, and we've got kind of a chest press, multi-press machine that's here. We've got a multiple machine that can work multiple things with shoulders, chest, back, and a lot of legs, a lot of things you can do on this. Over here, there's 3 treadmills, so those are right here. There's 2 spin bikes over there. You've got a leg press here, and then more of these kind of stand-up motion type walking bikes for cardio. And some more in the middle, leg extension, leg curl, and then just a bench. And then there's some dumbbells to work on your arms over there. So that is the gym. So we have one final video to share with you for the Ruth Street Flat. So let's go see it. Be there in just a minute.